about 1990, we put in a claim to the Waitangi Tribunal because at the time we were looking for the return of our whenua. The Ngamu forest sits right within our rohe and a central critical part of our traditional lands. The previous Labour government legislated against our claim. As a result, we have had the rangatiratanga over our lands taken away. Very, very critical to us, not only for economic reasons, but for social and health reasons as well. And we're hoping to put our case to the Rapporteur to see what better positive outcomes can come for our people.